I gotta make words on paper. So I'm smart.
What up, guys? Today we are teaching these two douchebags some rap/slang language, I guess. So yeah, let's see how they do. First word is blitzed. At least that's how I think you pronounce it, but it's weird. So
I think it's getting shot.
fair enough. Why?
Because of the Blitzkrieg.
I have no idea what that is.
That's during the Second World War.
Okay.
You suck at history.
That is.
I wrote getting raped drunk.
Getting raped drunk.
You dirty.
Yeah, asshole. Well, it means drunk.
You wrote rape
I
and
won.
then crossed out rape.
Next word.
Yes, fucking.
Cap.
Ooh.
Cap. What do you think it is? What would you?
I think it's a bullet, but I really don't know.
Bullet.
Yeah. Just it's
I
bullet.
don't even need to write it down.
No, it's bullet. Everybody knows it's bullet. I'm gonna put a cap in your ass. Who doesn't know that word? Next
You're
one.
too white to be saying that.
Chrome.
Ooh, Chrome.
Chrome. It sounds pretty cool.
Google Chrome.
Let's go Google this. That's like everybody in the hood says that.
Chrome. Oh, you pronounced it wrong. I don't.
How would you pronounce it?
How many O's is in it?
One.
Is it mushrooms?
Yes.
So what did you write down?
I wrote fat white boy.
White boy.
Yeah.
It means
White
gun.
boy. No,
Really?
fat white.
Yeah, it does.
Lie.
How do you
I-
spell it?
Lie.
CHROME.
Wrong. Wrong.
It means a gun?
Gun.
Hmm.
Yeah. Next one.
Ah.
Baller. You probably heard that before.
Oh, I know that one.
You know that.
I know that one.
So which one?
I think it's
I know I'm the only one on the screen right now. Baller. You know it.
Damn, it feels good. It's a form of high roller, a gangster, kinda.
Kind of thing. What do you think?
I think it's an ass fucker.
You're a douchebag.
Okay, ass fucker. What do you say?
A high roller, kind of a gang, like a gang member or something, kind of.
Baller means someone who is good at playing basketball. Or just-
Seriously?
yeah.
This shit.
Or just a good baller.
This
Dude.
is the worst fucking thing I've ever heard.
Next word. Next. Oh yeah. Okay. Balling.
Playing basketball.
No.
I'm balling, yo.
Could be like teabagging or something. I'm gonna ball you shit or something.
It's disgusting.
That's disgusting. What do you think it is?
I think someone got laid Friday night.
Someone getting late for that? That could be balling, kind of.
Saturday night.
But hey, oh, balling means having it all. So it kind of could.
High five. Okay, so I confused the first one with that one because I was like high roller in the first one.
Yeah, that was.
Oh yeah.
You suck.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Next one.
Okay.
I didn't even write nothing.
Okay. Next word.
Yeah.
Ice.
Okay. Ooh. Is it ice or iced
Ice.
cocaine?
Drugs.
Yeah, I thought that too, but apparently it means jewelry.
What? What kind
Shit.
of douchebag slang is this?
Well, it's ice. It shines kind of like. jewelry.
Ice.
That's what I
ice
think.
was a synonym for cocaine.
I thought it was crystal meth. Next one.
Yeah.
Okay, this one. I think you know this one. Beef.
Beef? You got a problem? You got beef?
You? Beef. Come on, talk to us.
Don't draw penis.
I think it's a penis.
It's actually a good one. It could be.
But he's
Yeah.
right.
Do you want a piece of beef?
He's right.
Is it right?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Oh, brah.
It means argument or just.
So we are
penis.
both right.
Yeah.
Double
Oh,
five.
bro.
That was awesome. Next one. Nutting.
Nutting?
It sounds like that. Nuttin and then that little thing.
So nutting?
Nutting. That's how you say it. Yeah, nutting. Nodding.
You put your nuts on somebody else's forehead.
No.
I think it's sex.
Oh, that's probably
He's right.
really.
Intercourse.
Cheater! Cover that shit up.
It can either mean as a noun it means nothing.
Yeah.
As a verb it can either mean intercourse or headbutting.
How do you go from nothing to sex to headbutting? So okay. So if you're into guys, let's say, so headbutting would also mean sex. So this was stupid slang
Slang, yeah.
from us to you.
Some rap, slang words, kind of.
Just don't.
Okay, boy.
See you guys.
Hmm.